In this video, we'll have a look at a rather simple example of an aerial image orthorectification using Envy. Let's just start Envy. We'll import the image, which is in JPEG format. Okay, let's visualize it. Then we'll import the digital elevation model that is needed for the orthorectification, which is in a GOT format. In our case here, we'll have to assign the proper projection, which is in fact the grid. It's okay now. And I will continue with orthorectification by building the RPC model for this aerial image. Okay, select the input file, and then I'll start to type in the needed values for the RPC model to be created. Okay, we have a frame camera, that's the type. We know the focal length, we need to know that it's 51.95, and I won't change anything in the principal points, and I will go to select the fiducial points in the display. Actually, I have a file, since this has been done before, and I will just import the file with the 4 fiducial points. You can see the RMS error 0.3, and I will export the fiducials to the RPC widget. So my 4 fiducials are imported to the RPC widget. Then I need to select GCPs for the exterior orientation. I will restore them from a file that has been created before. And I will export them to the RPC widget. As soon as I export them to the RPC widget, I have the external orientation report, and if I accept the total RMS errors, then it's fine to proceed. I'll press OK. I will set the minimum and the maximum elevation, which these values are actually what is fine. And as I press OK, program comes up with a message letting us know that the RPCs have been calculating for the file and the header has been updated. I press OK, and underneath the image band I see now that the RPCs have been calculated for this image. Now I'll move with the orthorectification. I'll select generic RPC and RSM, and I will orthorectify using ground control. Actually, we will use the GCPs, the same GCPs that we used for the exterior orientation. Once again, I will restore GCPs. I see that my RMS error is 1.1, so okay, I accept it. and I'll continue with the orthorectify file command. I will select once again my file, my aerial photo. I'll press OK. I'll select the DEM file. It's OK. I won't change anything in the image resampling. I'll choose to save it to a file. I'll create a new directory. I'll give it a name. I will change the projection to the Greek grid. I won't change anything in the pixel size, and I'll just press OK. I'll pause the video for the process to be completed. OK, the process has finished, and as we can see, the result is on the available bunch list. It's in the Greek grid. Now visualize it. As you can see now, the orthorectified image is cropped to the area of the digital elevation model. It's a little bit enhancement, and this is actually the process of orthorectifying an aerial image. This is a concise example, having almost all data needed for the orthorectification ready. Thanks.